Today we are talking about how to create an example actuator. An example actuator is a synthetic actuator that can change temperature for an example sensor. This can help users gain a better understanding of how actual production actuators can be utilized within the ProptechOS. First, you'll need to find your previously created example device. Find the building where this device is located and select Devices to see all the devices in that building. Next, choose the device where you want to connect an example actuator to. Click on the plus sign and choose Actuator in the Twin drop-down list. Provide a name that's easy to remember and identify, and if you want, you can also add a formal or technical designation into the litera field. Then, set the quantity kind to temperature, the measurement unit to Celsius, and choose Indoor Air as the placement context for your actuator. This will help to identify what is controlled by an actuator. The last step is to choose the actuation interface Indoor Temperature. This interface will allow your actuator to interact with other devices, changing the temperature within the limits of 19 to 26 degrees. Finally, click Create to submit the form and create your actuator. That's it. You've successfully created an example actuator in a building. After you run this actuator on the edge connector, you will be able to change the temperature for your example sensor. If you need additional assistance, feel free to contact us via email, support@proptechos.com. Thanks for watching.